So, number 3 then, from the 2009 Advanced Higher, a nice little differential equation, first order differential equation, variables separable as well. A condition for it to satisfy so that I don't have any constants floating about, and indeed that's all it says. Find y in terms of x, 4 marks. That shouldn't be too bad. Well, there are the terms, quite separate from each other, 2 separate factors, all packed up, ready to go their own way, so we'll do that. The y's can stay on this side, e to the y dy, the x's can go to that side, dx, then you can either write x to the negative 2, if you're happier with that, for integrating, so negative 2 would go up to negative 1, or realising that that's just going to happen underneath, that 2 would go up to 1 underneath if it were increasing, like it floating up towards the surface. So I could just put my integral sign in straight away just now. E to the variable stays as e to the variable. 2 would go up to 1, if it's underneath, moving up towards the surface, but that's a negative 1, so it'll be negative of that, plus c. Almost there, just a c in the way. As soon as c rears its head, leap on it with these variables here. Put in the numbers for them, and then you can evaluate c and it'll be gone, rather than taking c and lugging it through the equation till you get to the end and then trying to figure out what it is. So I'll do over here to keep it neat so this can flow down nicely. So using those points, let's put it under here, don't need to write it again. I've got e, I'll just say that, e to the 0, that's nice and handy, is negative 1 over, and that'll just be x, so it'll just be 1 over 1 plus c. E to the 0 is 1. Anything to the 0 is 1. So what that says is I've got 1 equals negative 1 plus c, or c equals 2. Almost there. I now know what c is. So this expression actually says 2 minus 1 over x. And the last thing is, I'll write that in as well, get rid of that e, get rid of that function, the exponential, by applying the logarithm. So if it's e on one side, it must be log on the other. So y will be ln of 2 minus 1 over x, not forgetting to put the modulus around it, just in case this little x here decides to turn nasty on us and make the whole thing go negative. And that's it for 4 marks.